For decades, millions of American PC users and tech enthusiasts have lived under a massive, carefully maintained corporate illusion, believing that premium hardware brands like G-Skill or Corsair were built entirely on secure, high-end Western technology. In reality, the entire global DRAM industry hides a dark silicon secret. None of these famous brands actually manufacture their own memory chips, relying completely on a tight, absolute monopoly controlled by just three global giants: Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron. But as these three titans abruptly shifted their massive production lines to manufacture hyper-profitable, multi-layer HBM memory exclusively for big tech's artificial intelligence servers, they intentionally triggered a devastating, unprecedented 50% price explosion for ordinary consumer RAM. This catastrophic deficit left the standard global PC market completely exposed, creating a perfect, high-stakes window of opportunity for a rapidly rising, sanction-proof predator to strike from the shadows. The geopolitical trap officially snapped shut when independent hardware diagnostic teams peeled back the metallic heat spreaders of standard store-bought Corsair Vengeance kits and made a chilling discovery. Beneath the premium American branding lay advanced high-density silicon etched not by Samsung, but by CXMT, a young state-backed Chinese memory manufacturer that Washington has desperately tried to crush with aggressive trade blockades. This silent integration proves that Beijing's semiconductor industry has successfully broken through laboratory isolation and scaled directly into mass Western retail channels. By offering good enough high-speed stability at a fraction of the cost, China hasn't just bypassed American trade sanctions, they have successfully hijacked the foundational supply chains of personal computing, leaving Western monopoly giants completely powerless to reclaim their lost ground. If you are ready to see how this hidden tech war is quietly altering the price of your own home devices, smash that like button and subscribe right now. The silent infiltration of Chinese memory chips into Western hardware triggered a classified high-stakes political crisis in Washington that global trade policymakers are desperately trying to conceal from the public. According to explosive, newly leaked intelligence reports from June 2026, an interagency U.S. committee had previously approved a total export blacklist against CXMT, aiming to permanently cut the Chinese tech giant off from global trade networks. However, in a stunning and unprecedented move, the Department of Commerce deliberately froze the publication of these sanctions, marking the longest hiatus in trade blacklist updates in over a decade. Washington hawks are quietly freezing in panic because they realize that enforcing the blockade would instantly paralyze the American tech sector. With global component prices artificially inflated due to artificial intelligence manufacturing shortages, Western computer markets have become entirely addicted to cheap, high-volume Chinese silicon just to keep local store shelves stocked. This economic paralysis has allowed Beijing to execute an aggressive multi-billion-dollar counteroffensive that completely shatters Samsung and Micron's historical market dominance. Leaked industry documents from Nikkei Asia reveal that major global PC titans, including Dell, HP, Asus, and Acer, are actively conducting internal evaluations to integrate CXMT's high-speed DDR5 memory directly into their upcoming consumer product lines. Even worse for Western tech monopolies, CXMT just announced it is officially redirecting 20% of its massive manufacturing capacity to mass-produce next-generation HBM3 memory, the elite, ultra-dense silicon specifically designed to power advanced artificial intelligence infrastructure. By embedding its roots into Western consumer brands while simultaneously challenging America's artificial intelligence supremacy, China has effectively turned Western trade restrictions into a useless piece of paper. The true scale of China's market takeover became undeniably clear when CXMT filed its monumental 29.5 billion yuan, roughly $4.2 billion, initial public offering on Shanghai's Star Market. This massive financial maneuver arrived exactly as the company stunned global markets by reporting a staggering 719% year-over-year revenue explosion in the first quarter of 2026 alone, hauling in over 50 billion yuan. Armed with this unprecedented mountain of state-backed capital, China is aggressively deploying a relentless volume strategy, expanding its physical manufacturing lines to churn out an astronomical 300,000 12-inch silicone wafers every single month by the end of the year. By flooding cost-sensitive international consumer electronics markets with vast quantities of highly stable, deeply competitive generic DDR5 memory, Beijing is methodically eating away at the foundational retail margins historically relied upon by the West's tech giants. However, this commercial blitz is merely the frontline camouflage for a much more dangerous, highly sophisticated technological ambush. While mainstream American analysts confidently claimed that strict Western lithography blockades would permanently lock China out of high-end computing, internal reports reveal that CXMT has already achieved staggering technical parity on HBM3 memory, the elite, ultra-dense silicon that acts as the absolute lifeblood for advanced artificial intelligence graphics cards. By bypassing restricted Dutch equipment and instead collaborating with a fully localized domestic back-end ecosystem of toolmakers, Chinese engineers are actively preparing to mass-produce homegrown HBM3 architectures within the year. This means that while Samsung and Micron are frantically stretching their capacities to supply Wall Street's AI craze, China is silently constructing a massive, entirely independent, and completely sanction-proof AI hardware empire right under the Pentagon. The ultimate endgame of China's semiconductor strategy is not just to quietly participate in global supply chains, but to completely replace the West as the primary technological backbone of modern civilization. To secure absolute self-reliance, CXMT has aggressively accelerated the covert construction of its massive Phase 2 and Phase 3 megafactory expansions in Hefei, reportedly utilizing a complex global network of front companies to hoard critical manufacturing components before Western trade blockades could tighten further. Industry intelligence groups warn that once the current artificial intelligence memory frenzy inevitably stabilizes, this astronomical state-subsidized Chinese production volume will trigger an unprecedented, catastrophic price-dumping wave across Western retail channels. By flooding global markets with ultra-cheap, high-performance DDR5 and LPDDR5 silicon, Beijing will systematically starve Western manufacturers of consumer profits, effectively leaving American tech titans with two brutal choices: face immediate financial liquidation or surrender to complete dependence on Chinese-made silicon. Ultimately, this high-stakes semiconductor war reveals that the era of uncontested American technological supremacy has officially come to a grinding halt. What started as an aggressive Washington export ban designed to cripple Beijing's tech sector has spectacularly backfired, forcing China to build a deeply resilient, completely autonomous technological fortress that now dictates the price of the very computer you are using today. The silicon ceiling has officially shattered, and as the global balance of economic power permanently shifts toward Asia, the Western world is rapidly running out of time to respond. If you are ready to stay ahead of the curve and track every hidden move in this brutal war for global tech dominance, make sure to slam that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts below, and subscribe to Exoplanet X right now.